talk about my top 5 favorite beard oils, kind of just from the last year or so that I absolutely adore. Straight away though, I want you to comment below, what are your top 5 beard oils? Let me know the name of the oil, the company. It kind of lets me know, what you guys think about your products, kind of what you like. And also, I can go check them out when I get a chance. So definitely go do that. Straight away though, let's talk about my first one. That's the Mango Beard Oil from Bedfordshire Beard Co. Bedfordshire Beard Co, awesome products, wonderful natural products from them. And the Mango Beard Oil is amazing. It uses a fragrance oil for the mango, and it's the best one I've used. I've tried a few different mango type scents. I've tried Apothecary 87, Mobros, I think a couple more, but no one comes close to getting the mango scent just right compared to Bedfordshire Beard Co. So it's probably, actually it's easily my favourite ever scent. It's quite a basic scent, sweet, fruity, manly, you get the gist. Love the stuff, it's great. And just for a little bonus from Bedfordshire Beard Co, I absolutely adore their tobacconist beard oil. It's vanilla and tobacco, simple and incredible. It smells real manly, leather. I mean, it kind of smells leathery, manly. It just smells rich and sweet. You get a hit of vanilla, and it kind of reminds me of Play-Doh. Yeah, Play-Doh. Next up, we've got the West Cork Beard Co.'s wonderful sandalwood and juniper berry beard oil. It's a blend of argan oil and jojoba oil, and it's incredible. It's so good for the skin, and beard oil is all about keeping your skin feeling incredible. So this stuff's great. Post shave, post trim. At the moment I'm rocking a short beard, so when I trim the cheeks and neck, it feels really good. When I had the longer beard and just was trimming this region, still my go-to beard oil for just bringing the irritation that my skin in particular gets. It's very sensitive, that I get from shaving. So I absolutely love the stuff. Rune Silk Revolution. Yeah, this is a revolutionary beard oil. It smells like a pretty fresh citrusy aftershave or cologne, depending on what you call it. It's great, manly, with a kick of zesty fruit. That's kind of what I get from it. It smells like a really nice aftershave, and it's made with only essential oils. There's no fragrance oils in this mix, and that's why I think it's even more incredible that it smells this goddamn good. Like, you would think you've just sprayed some aftershave or some eau de toilette on your face and neck, because it's awesome. So yeah, definitely makes the cut. Chevron Fella from Twisted Mustache, and this is one of 2 orange type scents to feature here. It's an orange, a cardamom, which is quite a unique spice ingredient to add to the mix, with a nice dose of cedarwood. And it kind of like, the only way I can really explain it, it's like if there was a forest, and just in this forest there was just massive trees and they grew some goddamn big oranges. That's kind of like the scent I get. Like, that's the visualization in my mind when I put it on. Like, I'm walking through a forest with some big oranges that kind of juice it. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm selling it to you. I'm not trying to sell it to you, but you know what I mean. It just smells so goddamn fresh from that orange, but so woodsy from the cedarwood, and I absolutely love it. I don't normally love those sort of woodsy scents, but in this combination it's great, especially with the cardamom. Gives it a real nice kick that I don't really get from other beard oils. Love the stuff. And last but not least, Balbo Beard Co.'s orange, cinnamon and ylang ylang. It's kind of similar to the Twisted Mustache's Chevron Fella in that it's got an orange top note mixed with a spice. On this occasion it's cinnamon, and then they've gone for a floral note though, and the floral note really distinguishes it from the Chevron Fella beard oil. It completely changes the scent profile of the orange. You get those lovely deep floral notes from the ylang ylang, and I absolutely love ylang ylang, and you can keep count of how many times I say ylang ylang in this sequence, because ylang ylang is just such a wonderful floral note that if you've never tried a beard oil with ylang ylang in it, you definitely should, just so you can say ylang ylang. So they're my top 5 beard oils kind of from the last year or so. Let me know in the comments below what yours are. I'll see you very soon, my friends. Goodbye.